Welcome back to Cyclone Finance, your go-to channel for all things money, tech, and innovation. Today, we're diving deep, and I mean really deep, into the top 7 viral AI tools that are shaking up the online money-making world in 2025. But this isn't just another surface-level list, this is a complete, step-by-step breakdown with details, examples, strategies, pros, cons, and insider tips. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use, how to apply them, and how to start generating real income right now. This video is creator-rich, detailed video. I'll structure it carefully so every part builds smoothly. Section 1, Why AI Tools Are Changing the Game. Let's set the stage. In 2025, artificial intelligence has gone mainstream, no longer just a tech buzzword, but a practical income generator. But why are AI tools now dominating the money-making scene? Automation. You can now automate hours of human work, think video editing, writing, research, in minutes. Scalability. One creator or freelancer can serve 10, 50, even 100 clients with the right AI workflows. Creativity boost. AI enhances your creativity, not replaces it, letting you experiment faster and bring bold ideas to life. Market demand. Businesses and audiences alike are hungry for fresh, fast, affordable content and services, and AI tools deliver. Section 2, Detailed breakdown of each AI tool. For each tool, we'll cover what it does, how to use it, step by step how people are making money with it, common mistakes to avoid, advanced strategies for pros. We'll also give real-world examples and links to resources where possible. Tool 1, Runway ML Overview. Runway ML has revolutionized video production. With its Gen 2 engine, you can generate video clips from text prompts, remove backgrounds, add stylized effects, and more. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up at runwayml.com. 2. Upload raw video or write a description to generate footage. 3. Use built-in tools to edit, mask, or style. 4. Export and deliver to your clients or publish money-making ideas. Offer freelance video editing services, produce viral TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Sell AI-generated stock videos, make branded content for small businesses. Pro tips. Always tweak the generated video manually to improve quality. Pair Runway with tools like CapCut or Premiere for polish. Niche down. For example, focus only on real estate videos or music videos. Mistakes to avoid. Uploading copyrighted materials, ignoring client style preferences, relying 100% on AI without human touch. Tool 2, Midjourney V6 Overview. Midjourney creates breathtaking images from simple prompts. Artists, designers, marketers, and content creators love it for its quality. How to use. 1. Join the Midjourney Discord. 2. Use the Imagine command with your prompt. 3. Choose from the generated images and upscale or modify. 4. Save your favorite results. Money-making ideas. Sell digital prints on Etsy or Redbubble. Offer custom AI art commissions. Design YouTube thumbnails, posters, or book covers. Build an Instagram or Pinterest following with AI art. Example prompts. Cyberpunk city skyline at night, glowing neon, ultra-detailed fantasy dragon in flight, golden sunset background. Pro tips. Experiment with prompt weights and styles. Participate in Discord challenges for exposure. Offer bundles. For example, 5 thumbnails or 10 product mockups. Pitfalls. Overusing common prompts, which leads to similar results. Forgetting commercial licenses when selling work. Tool 3, 11 Labs Overview. 11 Labs produces hyper-realistic AI voices in multiple languages and emotions, perfect for narration, podcasts, and audiobooks. Usage Guide. 1. Go to 11labs.io and sign up. 2. Select or create a voice profile. 3. Input your script, or upload text. 4. Generate and download the audio money-making strategies. Create faceless YouTube videos with professional narration. Offer voiceover services to YouTubers, advertisers, or educators. Produce audiobooks from public domain works and publish them on Audible. Make language learning or meditation tracks. Advanced tips. Train custom voices for unique branding. Layer multiple voices in storytelling projects. Common mistakes. Using the free plan for commercial work without upgrading. Ignoring pronunciation tweaks in the editor. Tool 4, Pika Labs Overview. Pika Labs specializes in AI animation, transforming text descriptions into lively animated clips. Steps. 1. Join Pika's Discord or platform. 2. Describe your animation idea. 3. Adjust settings and let the AI render. 4. Download the result for editing or publishing. How to monetize. Offer explainer videos to startups and small businesses. Produce animated shorts for social media. Create storytelling videos for YouTube or TikTok. License animated clips on stock sites. Pro strategies. Combine with 11 labs for voiced animations. Focus on niche industries like education or health. Risks. Low resolution outputs. Upgrade to Pro for HD. Limited editing flexibility. Use external tools to refine. Tool 5. Jasper AI Overview. Jasper is a leading AI writing assistant for marketers, bloggers, and copywriters. Steps to use. 1. Sign up at jasper.ai. 2. Select a template, blog post, add copy, social caption. 3. Provide key details or prompts. 4. Let Jasper generate drafts. 5. Edit, optimize, and publish money-making applications. Sell blog writing services to businesses. Create marketing copy for e-commerce brands. Build and sell SEO optimized niche websites. Run affiliate marketing campaigns. Advanced use. Integrate Jasper with Surfer SEO for better rankings. Train Jasper with brand-specific voice and tone. Avoid publishing raw output without edits. Ignoring SEO best practices. Tool 6. Opus Clip Overview. Opus Clip turns long-form videos into bite-sized viral clips. Steps. 1. Upload a long video. 2. Let Opus's AI identify viral moments. 3. Review, trim, and export short clips. Revenue strategies. Offer content repurposing services to influencers and brands. Grow a TikTok or Instagram Reels account. Fast sell viral clip packages on freelancing platforms. Pro tips. Use strong hooks at the start of each clip. Batch process multiple videos for efficiency. Mistakes. Uploading copyrighted material without permission. Tool 7. Perplexity AI Overview. Perplexity is a cutting-edge research assistant, summarizing complex topics and providing detailed answers. Steps. 1. Visit perplexity.ai. 2. Input your question or topic. 3. Review summaries, sources, and related queries. 4. Use insights for content, strategy, or reports. Income streams. Offer research services to agencies, writers, or academics. Create deep dive YouTube videos or blog posts on trending topics. Build expert level courses or guides. Pro moves. Cross-reference sources for accuracy. Focus on trending or controversial topics for viral potential. Avoid copy pasting without fact checking. Ignoring niche relevance. Bonus section. Emerging tools to watch include detailed breakdowns of Synthesia, Leonardo AI, HeyGen, and more, explaining how early adopters are already profiting. Full strategies. Turn tools into income. Cover how to pick the right niche. Crafting irresistible offers. Building an online portfolio. Marketing yourself on Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. Setting pricing, contracts, and delivery timelines. Scaling operations, VA hiring, automation. Managing client relationships. Risks and how to avoid them. Legal considerations, licenses, fair use. Ethical use of AI, disclosure, honesty. Burnout and overcommitment. Tech failures. Always have backups. Future trends. My predictions for the next 3 to 5 years. Multimodal AI, real-time interactive tools, R/VR integrations, decentralized platforms. Thanks for watching Cyclone Finance. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below, which AI tool are you most excited to try?